Physics. This video will deal with some important questions which are related to cross product of vectors. Question: before going through this video, I would recommend to watch the quick revision on cross product of vectors. This video must be watched before proceeding to these questions. Question is: find the unit vector perpendicular to the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and 3i plus 4j minus 5k. I think almost all have done this one. Yes. What is the answer? Yes, unit vector n cap is equal to, I have given the concept, A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. At first you find A cross B, this is A and this is B. So A cross B is I, J, K, 2 minus 3, 4 and 3, 4 minus 5. This is your A cross B. So I into, you know how to split the determinant, minus 3 into minus 5, that is 15 minus 16, minus j into minus 10 minus 12, plus k into 8 minus of minus 9, it is plus 9. That is your answer, minus I plus 22j plus 17k. You got it? A cross B. The cross product, A cross B we got. This is A and this is B. Then what is the answer? Unit vector A cross B by magnitude of A cross B, minus I plus 22j plus 17k by root over of, you know the magnitude, minus 1 square plus 22 square plus 17 square. Then your answer would be minus I plus 22j plus 17k divided by 1 plus 484 plus 289 square root. You find the square root and this should be the answer, which is unit vector perpendicular to vector A cross B. Pause the video to note it down. Second question: find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are I minus 3j plus k and I plus j plus k. Here we have taken adjacent sides as A as well as B. Area of the parallelogram is equal to A cross B magnitude. Already I have discussed the formula in the quick revision video. You can watch that quick revision video for cross product of vectors. Then area of the parallelogram is A cross B magnitude. So what is A cross B? Now find out. A cross B, like that, I, J, K, 1 minus 3, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes, find it out. Answer is I into minus 3 minus 1 minus j into 1 minus 1 plus k into 1 minus of minus 3. So answer is I into minus 4 minus 4i minus j into 0, it is 0, plus k into 4, it is 4k, minus 4i plus 4k, A cross B. Then what is the area of the parallelogram? A cross B magnitude. Answer is root over of minus 4 square plus 4 square, it is answer 4 root 2, but since area, so you have to write squaring it. Pause the video to note it down. Next question: calculate the angle ABC where A, B, C are the three vertices and their coordinates are given. Using vector method, you have to find it out. So Find first AB. AB we know position vector of B minus position vector of A. Position vector of B minus position vector of A. That is 3, 1, 2 minus 1, 2, 4. That is 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 4 minus 2. Or we can write it as 2i minus j minus 2k. Next, AC. Find AC. AC is equal to how much? I'm getting 4, 3, 1 position vector of C minus position vector of A. That is 4, 3, 1 minus, again 1, 2, 4. What is your answer? 4 minus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 4 minus 3. So, answer is 3i plus j minus 3k. We got AB as well as AC. Then find AB cross AC. Step by step method. You see, at first find AB, then AC, then AB cross AC. AB cross AC, use the formula for cross product. I think most of you have done it. 2 minus 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 3. Answer is very simple. I into 3 minus or minus 2 minus j into minus 6 plus 6 0 minus 6 plus 6 0 minus 6 plus 6 0 k into I am writing it minus j into minus 6 plus 6, then k into 2 plus 3. So answer is 5 by plus 5k. You got it? AB crosses. Then we have to find the area of the triangle ABC. What is the formula for area of the triangle ABC? Half of AB cross AC. Its magnitude. Half AB cross AC. Its magnitude. Half AB cross AC magnitude. AB cross AC 5 by plus 5k. Its magnitude. Half of root over of 5 square plus 5 square. That is 5 root 2. 5 square plus 5 square, 25 plus 25, 50. 55 root 2 by 2. Root 2, 2, it is 5 by root 2. So answer is 5 by root 2 square unit. Pause the video to note it down. Next question. Find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals are the vectors 3i plus j minus 2k and I minus 3j plus 4k. Two diagonals, this is d1 and d2 is given. At first you find out the sides. Sides of the parallelogram will be d1 plus d2 by 2, another one is d1 minus d2 by 2. You clear your fundamentals first. Before watching this video, go through the quick revision video what I have given, just previous video. Then you will get all the things. That b is equal to d1 minus d2 upon 2. So, you have got d1 minus d2 by 2. Your answer is like this. There are two adjacent sides are a as well as b. A is d1 plus d2 by 2 and b d1 minus d2 by 2. These two vectors are given. A, B. Then if you know the sides, then our formula half of A cross B magnitude. Find out your answer. A cross B magnitude. At first you find out A cross B. I don't want to discuss more and more A cross B about I, J, K. Then your answer would be I, 2i minus j plus k, 2i minus j plus k. Then I plus 2j minus 3k, I plus 2j minus 3k. You find out A cross B, then you substitute the magnitude of A cross B here into half. It will be the, sorry, not half will not be taken, okay, only A cross B, bus. A cross B magnitude will be your answer. Answer will be written in the square unit because area is asked. Okay, pause the video. Last important question. If A cross B is equal to B cross C is not equal to 0, then prove that A plus C is equal to MB. How to solve this one? A cross B is equal to B cross C. Then I can write it as A cross B is equal to minus C cross B. How? We know that A cross B is equal to minus B cross A, because cross product is not commutative. A cross B is equal to minus C cross B. This implies A cross B plus C cross B. Transpose this one. 0. This is 0. Then you are getting A plus C cross B is equal to 0. If the cross product of two vectors is null vector, cross product of two collinear vector is a null vector. Look this concept, cross product of two collinear vector is a null vector. That's why if this is a vector and this is a vector, if cross product is null vector, then I can say that A plus C and B are collinear. And B are collinear. If vectors are collinear, then it may be one is the scalar multiple of other. A plus C is equal to some scalar into B. Here scalar is M, so A plus C is equal to MB. Pause the video to note it down.